Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I wanted to do a viewer recommendation painting tonight. So I had done the tie-dye blowout like a starburst, and I had a request to do it in rainbow colors. So I really want to do that one. That's what we're gonna do. Hope it works out. Let's paint. All right, hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back. I am going to be doing another Starburst air swipe tonight. So I had seen some viewers sent me another artist that's doing these as swipes, I think with silicone. Her name is Claire from Rainbow Acrylics. She is super nice, and hers have come out really beautiful. So kudos to her. Just wanted to give her a shout out as well. But I am using the blow dryer to do these. And really, it's not really a Dutch pour like beautiful Rinska Downa does, where she blows it over and then blows them out. This is really just an air swipe where you're pouring the colors. I'm trying to get a starburst kind of tie-dyed effect. And then I take the blow dryer and just air swipe in a direction. So doesn't matter what you call it, I love the effect. So I'm taking recommendations from the audience tonight. People wanted to see black in the center and they wanted to see rainbow. So that's the first one I'm gonna do. I kind of have a series of these that I'm thinking of. I wanna do a sunflower, I wanna do a sunburst. There's all kinds, there's so many ideas. I love it, I get so excited. All right, so let's start. So I'm about here in the center. I'm gonna start with my black. And some people said last time that I had too much white, so I don't want too much black this time. And I have white here. I went back and forth because too much black around here will muddy the colors as you go out. So I thought black in the center, definitely silver next to that. And then I thought, as I get to the colors, maybe for the colors, I'll do a little bit of white around some of the brighter colors, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start with red, and I space these out a little bit so that as I blow, I get that cellular reaction. There's no silicone in here. Oh, this color already. This would be cool as, ooh, uh-oh, did a lot of red there. This would be cool as just a, like a red, black, and silver one. Might do that one too. Okay, red, orange. Don't want too much yellow in this one, so I'll just do very lightly for the yellow. You guys know me, I say lightly and then it's like the whole thing is yellow. Okay, green next. You do want to have enough so that it flows, you know? And if it's not perfectly circular, okay, whatever. Roy G blue. Woo! Ooh, almost had a mishap there. Blue is my outer color, so I actually think, okay, it's not going to be exactly the rainbow. I think I'm going to do my purple. I think I'll do the blue as the outer rim. Have that as, because I have a little bit more of that. I do think I want a little bit more orange right here too. I don't know, maybe I didn't use enough paint here. Somebody commented in one of the videos, they said, did you realize that you told us not to blow over that twice and then you blew over it twice? Well, yeah, I'm just talking half the time. Sorry. Okay, have any more of this one. Gosh, I'm wondering if I should finish this out with maybe a little bit more of the black on the outer edges just to make sure I get it all there. So now that I've poured this, I'm worried that I'm not gonna have enough paint going through here. I'll do it on my corners just to make sure. This is all an experiment, right? Okay. Now to go back in with my lacing, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of, maybe the white in between this yellow. Green. Okay. And then definitely white between blue and purple. This is the part that's fun. Like, play around with this. Okay, I've got my silver here. Do silver right in between those two. And in between the green. Whoops, that was a lot. And then maybe just on this outer edge here. I don't know. Play around with it. And let me know. You guys have been tagging me in all your pictures. I love it. I love to see them. All right, let me pop the air bubbles. I mixed these just a little bit ago and I had a ton of air bubbles. So I'm hoping that I don't get a lot of the air bubbles popping back up as I blow, but let's see what happens. Oh, do I want, okay, no, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, I'm gonna blow it out. I love it already. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm done. Wow. So, not a perfect circle in the middle. I don't care. I love it. There's not really too much else to do except touch up my sides. I think it's basically perfect. I love that I added the white. The silver is creating these amazing cells all on its own. The silver is Soho mixed with Winsor & Newton. Sometimes, especially right now, it's a little bit colder. This Soho by itself, when I mix it with water, breaks. And so I mix it with Winsor & Newton and I get the cellular reaction, but without any of the breakage when I mix the two together. So Winsor & Newton has some good binders in it as well. I cannot be happier. Like, I must have been born in the 60s or something because I have been digging these paintings. Okay, I will stop talking and take you down so you can see it. I love it. Let me take you in. I'll try to go really slow. I was worried that the black would muddy everything, but what it ended up doing was just giving it a lot of depth, honestly. And I'm so happy I added that white to kind of fade the colors into one another. And then that center. Oh my. So I went ahead and leveled my table off because the last one, just the tiniest bit, I mean the tiniest bit, will move this entire design, especially since it's kind of circular. So I'm gonna go put it on there and keep my fingers crossed, and I will show you the dried result. Well, here it is. It dried so pretty. I really like the black, honestly. And there were some places that the white is just like that right there. It's just gorgeous. I'm so glad I was questioning those rings, but it's just really, really pretty. There's the sides. You can see these little parts right here. It's almost like it resisted, but it's the silver. If you can see it, yeah, there. So like it looks like that, but it's actually just the silver dripping down the sides. But either way, I went in the middle and I made that a little bit more circular. I just think it's really, really cool. Let me step to the side. I really like it. And it's not perfect. Some of the black came down here, some of the red up there. And you know, a starburst or a swipe or whatever you want to call it, it doesn't matter. I was just trying to go for a tie-dyed effect. And I think I achieved it. I really like it. I'm gonna try a starburst as well. A starburst. I'm gonna try a sunburst and maybe even a sunflower and see what I can get. But yeah, that's it. Love it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.